Hey everyone, join me as I do a quick little unboxing. Don't have a whole lot here, just 4 items, 2 separate orders though, so that's less than 2 separate packages. Alrighty, so in this package, we have my brush on nail glue. It's a lot smaller package than I figured it would be. What is this? Oh, I guess that's just to keep it from wiggling around in there. It's a lot smaller than I thought it'd be. I thought it'd be about, like the same size as nail polish. But I got that. And I got a full-size cuticle pusher. And in each package that is sent out, a cute little card is sent out with it to where you can write a cute little message for your customers. Package number 2. I already know what this is. It is 2 of the nails that retired last week. This one does not want to tear. Again, cute little card. I'll be saving those to use with my customers. But we have this one, which is Rhea Says Rare, and it's black with little leopard print. You can't really, I'm trying to pick up the leopard. There we go. You can slightly see it. And then I got a full black set. It's just matte black, because always gotta have a black set. But yeah, I just wanted to get on and share with you guys, what few new items I got for myself. And yeah, I will talk to you guys later. Bye.